Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to convert image to PDF file in mobile. Friends, if you want to save a photo in PDF file format, then you need to open your gallery. Now here you need to select the image which you want to convert into PDF format. Now to convert this image to PDF, you need to press on this share icon. And here you need to press on print. Now from here you can select your printer. So select save as PDF. Now press on this PDF icon. Now give name to your file and press on save. Now your image is saved in PDF format on your device. So I will open File Manager on my mobile, and here in recent I will find the PDF file. Now you can see the file is converted to PDF format. So friends, like this you can very easily convert image to PDF file in mobile. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.